Good morning. It is incredibly hard to believe that I am opening up the last 2 weeks of this class. So week 13 and 14 will open today. Well, Tuesday, May 2nd. I'm making this video a little bit early. So the next 2 weeks are strictly exam review and the final exam. The final exam is open. You're welcome to take it at any time between May 2nd and May 12th. That gives you 10 days. You can take it on May 2nd and pretty much be done with the course. You can take it on May 8th and be done with the course. You can wait till May 12th, but you do have flexibility. The final exam is proctored, so you need to factor that in, what proctoring technique you're going to use and get your appointment set up. And again, you can take it anywhere from May 2nd to May 12th. Let's recap last week really quick. Last week was section 9.2. That's actually a really big section, and I hate that we had to cram it into one particular week. I wasn't able to do any labs with that section this semester, which I hate, but it is what it is. So you did section 9.2 in Hawks. You did the chapter 9 review, which was just 9.2. And you did the Chapter 9 unproctored quiz. If any of that sounds unfamiliar to you, go back to last week. That stuff is on the final exam, so it's important that you catch up. A couple people missed the mean, median, and mode section. That would have been like 2 weeks ago. It was the week that your Chapter 5 proctored quiz. If you missed 8.3, mean, median, and mode, you need to go back and look at that because that's also on the final exam. And it's just easy. I wouldn't want you to miss it. This week, like I said, you have one exam review quiz. It is going to count as an unproctored quiz grade. I think I gave you, 3 attempts. You don't have to do it 3 times, but the more times you practice it, the better you're going to be for the final exam. That Hawks review aligns to the Hawks final exam. Somebody asked me how many questions were on the final exam, and I think it's 18. So it's not super long. It's in Hawks, just like everything else has been. And the exam review quiz aligns to the final exam very, very nicely. It's longer, but the questions are similar. You can take the review quiz up to 3 times. Now, the final exam, you get 1 shot and it's proctored. But other than that, you can take the review quiz up to 3 times and I'll keep your highest grade. As they say, practice makes perfect. So I would just really encourage you to do it at least twice, just so you'll be more familiar. I am letting you use 1 note card on the final exam. 1 note card, 1 4x6 note card. So you can put whatever you want to on that note card. You can use a handheld calculator provided by the Academic Success Center or whatever ProctorU accepts. And I think that's it. I'm drawing a blank on anything else I need to say. Review quiz in Hawks, final exam in Hawks. Both are open. I need to verify that when I shut this video off. But by the time you see this video, they'll be open. If you have any questions, reach out to me. And I will make a video for you next week on our final week. Have a good one.